The final video to fix games crashing in Citron Switch Emulator. And if you've been struggling with sudden crashes, you're not alone. Many players face this because the emulator settings don't match the game requirements or your system needs a small tweak. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't really work. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that can stop crashes instantly without messing with complicated settings. With just a quick change in the emulator's configuration, your games will run smooth every time. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial so you can fix any game crash in Citron Switch Emulator, comment below and I'll show you exactly how.